Hey crypto explorers, namaste and welcome to another exciting video on my crypto safari. My name is Vikram, your free crypto guide. Today we are going to talk about a topic that is on everyone's mind. How the US securities and government across the world are trying to bully the crypto market.
Yeah, just moments ago, the SEC filed charges against Binance and its founder CEOs.
China, Biden, and the Fed could be about to destroy all value of Bitcoin.
We are actually evaluating that. Most major countries are now looking at the possibility of having a digital currency.
Looking at Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, and its creator, Changpeng Zhao, who is being sued by the US Securities and Exchange Commission for operating an illegal digital asset.
So let's take a closer look at what's been going on. I don't know about you, but it feels like regulators are almost playing a game of catch-up, trying to understand this new frontier while grasping at ways to control it. And yes, sometimes their action seems, let's say questionable. Before I continue, I would love to hear your thoughts on this topic. So please leave a comment on the below comment section and let's start a conversation.
First, Robinhood is shutting down trading of altcoins mentioned in last week's SEC lawsuits. In a blog post, the company said it would delist Cardano's ADA token, Polygon's Matic token, and Solana on June 27th.
I was of the same view when I was at the SEC. Is fairly broad, and that he believes that particularly issuers of these securities and the trading firms that support them have taken advantage of what I would say is non-regulation in order to distribute securities.
Recently, the US securities and other governments have been cracking down on major crypto exchanges like Binance and Coinbase. They are trying to regulate these exchanges and make sure that they comply with all the relevant laws and regulations. This has caused a lot of uncertainty in the market, and many investors are worried about what this means for the future of crypto market. We have seen politicians and government officials voicing their concerns about the volatility, decentralized nature, and potential risks that come along with the crypto market. But tell me one thing, isn't it part of the appeal? The freedom from traditional financial institutions? The chance for anyone to be their own bank?
Cryptocurrency in China.
Yes, what they're doing.
Well, it would appear that they don't love cryptocurrency.
Some countries like Malta, Switzerland, and Singapore have embraced crypto by implementing clear regulations that encourage innovation. However, other countries like China and Nigeria have banned crypto trading outright over concerns of volatility, fraud, and money laundering. In the US, the SEC has taken an ambiguous stance. While they have approved several crypto ETFs and allowed companies like Coinbase to go public, they have also threatened to sue platforms for selling unregistered securities. This regulatory uncertainty has led many crypto companies to move outside the US. The countries in the European Union have also taken an unclear stance. Some like Germany and UK have encouraged crypto growth while still warning investors about volatility risks. Others like Belarus have legalized crypto in an effort to attract tech talent. The varied global response shows how governments are still grappling with how to regulate this new asset class. Some recognize the potential benefits of crypto and blockchain technology, while others see more risks than rewards. Let's break it down a bit, shall we? Firstly, we have the US Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, flexing its muscles, trying to establish its authority over digital assets. They have been cracking down on cryptocurrencies and initial coin offerings, ICOs, left, right, and center, citing them as unregistered securities. Some might argue it's a necessary evil to protect investors, but really,
for our language here on the Hill, those are digital assets, right? Which are the keys to open up the ledger for you to participate, right? So describe to us how those digital assets fit into this internet revolution, Web3.
So the concept is that you have sort of application layer tokens and you have protocol layer tokens. So if I'm an owner of Bitcoin, let's say that I'm a miner of Bitcoin, somebody who actually creates Bitcoin. The Bitcoin is the reward I receive for doing the work to keep the network operational, and that allows me to own a piece of the Bitcoin blockchain.
We all want to stay safe and secure, but stifling innovation and potential opportunities in the crypto space, isn't it like throwing the baby out with the bathwater? And let's not forget those politicians who simply don't understand the cryptocurrencies and how the blockchain works, but feel they need to voice their opinions anyway.
In terms of cryptocurrencies generally, I can say almost with certainty that they will come to a bad ending. It's ingenious and blockchain is important, but Bitcoin has no unique value at all. It doesn't produce anything. You can stare at it all day and no little Bitcoins come out or anything like that.
This is like asking your grandpa to explain Snapchat filters. This uncertainty in the cryptocurrency space at the moment has had a significant impact on the sentiments of small and large investors alike. Many investors are worried that the market will crash and they will lose all their investments. But despite all the regulatory hurdles and negative headlines, the crypto market continues to grow at an astonishing pace. It is undeniable that people around the world are embracing this new way of managing their finances and exploring decentralized alternatives. A student who earned college tuition through early investments in the cryptocurrencies.
So I was able to buy one Bitcoin with $2,000, which ended up turning out to be $19,000 by the end of 2017. And that was just enough for me to pay my tuition. So after that, I sold my Bitcoin and I was able to pay my second semester of college with that.
Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying we should have no regulations or oversight. We just need balanced and educated decisions. Decisions that acknowledge the potential of this technology instead of fearing it. Now let's talk about whether this will have a long-term effect on the setback of the bull run. The truth is that it is difficult to say. The crypto market is highly volatile and it is impossible to predict what will happen in the future. However, it's important to note that crypto market has always been resilient and has bounced back from all the setbacks in the past. So while it may take some time for the market to recover, it is not impossible. This brings us to the question of whether this market will ever survive. The truth is that the crypto market has already survived for over a decade and it is only getting stronger. The market has evolved and changed over time, but it is still here and still growing. While there may be setbacks along the way, but the crypto market is here to stay. So what does the future hold for the crypto market? Well, it's difficult to predict. But one thing is for sure, this market will continue to evolve and change. We may see new regulations and laws governing the market, but we may also see new innovations and technologies that will make the market even more exciting. One thing is for sure, the future of crypto market is bright.
Cryptocurrency is fundamentally aimed at reducing the power of centralized government.
Let's talk about the opinions of top renowned investors. Many top investors have spoken out about the recent developments in the crypto market. Some are bullish on the market and believe that it will bounce back, while others are more cautious and believe that there may be more pain ahead. However, one thing is for sure, these investors are still investing in the market and believe in its long-term potential.
On August 11th, we announced we bought $250 million worth of Bitcoin, and we've been long Bitcoin ever since.
Luckily, there are experts out there who believe in the importance of the crypto market and advocate for sensible regulations. It's all about finding that sweet spot where innovation and consumer protection can coexist. And there you have it, my crypto-loving friends. The world of crypto might be facing some hurdles, but together we can navigate through them. Let's keep spreading this knowledge, advocating for responsible regulations, and embracing the power of cryptocurrencies to change lives for the better. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video with fellow crypto lovers. Until next time, remember one thing, we are still very early into this.